Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the skeleton display size in Maya, so you can make your joints and bones easier to see while rigging or animating. Let's jump right in. First, select your skeleton or any joint in the scene. You can do this by clicking directly on one of the bones, or by selecting it from the outliner. Next, let's open the display options for the joints. Go to the top menu and click Display Animation Joint Size. You'll see a small dialog box called Joint Size. Here you can enter a new value. The default is usually 1.0. Try increasing it to 2 or 3 to make your joints appear larger, or lowering it below 1.0 if you want them smaller. Press Enter, and you'll instantly see the joints resize in your viewport. That's how you change the skeleton display size in Maya. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Maya tips.